In this video, we will be sharing the benefits of drinking lemon and ginger water. This mixture will boost your immune system, improve digestions, helps with weight loss, it improves the lymphatic system, alkalizes your body and so much more, so please keep watching this video to the end to know the complete details and recipe. Are you looking for ways to boost your immune system and relieve stress? Try a cup of ginger lemon water and reap all its great benefits. The right combination of sweetness and spiciness makes it one of the very best drinks during the winter. It is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants that will improve your health in every possible way. How does lemon and ginger water benefit you? With a cup of lemon ginger tea, you will be enjoying the benefits of both ginger and lemon. Here are some of the benefits you get from this tea. 1. It improves immune system. The best thing about ginger lemon tea is that it improves your immunity. It happens mainly due to the antioxidants found in ginger and the vitamin C found in lemon. There are bioflavonoids in lemons that help prevent cancer growth in the body. Lemons are also rich in antioxidants and help eliminate free radicals from your body. 2. It soothes the digestive system. A cup of lemon and ginger water will help strengthen your digestive system and relieve symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, heartburn, and indigestion. Drinking it before traveling can help prevent motion sicknesses. It also works effectively in treating vomiting related to pregnancy and chemotherapy. Simply mix a teaspoon of mint juice and a teaspoon of lemon juice with half teaspoon of ginger juice and a tablespoon of honey, and have it twice a day to relieve morning sicknesses during pregnancy. 3. It keeps diabetes under control. Regular consumption of ginger lemon tea may reduce kidney damage and even lower the effects of diabetes in your body. Ginger is a rich source of zinc that plays a big role in the secretion of insulin. Lemon contains antioxidants that help reduce the effects of diabetes, such as heart problems, blood pressure, etc. 4. It gives you glowing skin and hair. Ginger lemon tea provides you with loads of vitamins and antioxidants that improve your hair and skin. By improving digestion, it improves your skin quality and hair texture. The tea also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, and effectively treats and prevents skin infections. Vitamin A and C are found in lemon. They help treat hair problems in a natural way. If you are enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. 5. It helps with weight loss. You crave for carbs and fatty food when your blood sugar levels are on the higher side. Lemon and ginger water will help regulate sugar levels and keep hunger away. This prevents overeating and helps you achieve your weight loss goals in a better way. Ginger improves your body's ability to absorb fat, which will help you shed excessive pounds in no time. Moreover, the aroma of lemons can help reduce stress, which in turn will help you get better results from your weight loss efforts. 6. It improves the lymphatic system. A cup of lemon ginger tea can help keep the lymphatic system well hydrated. Lemon water is especially beneficial in stimulating the lymphatic system, and this helps eliminate toxins from the colon, lymph glands, and bladder. Ginger makes this process work even efficiently, and prevents several chronic illnesses such as cancer. Regular consumption of ginger lemon tea will purify your blood and lower cholesterol as well. 7. It alkalizes your body. You need to maintain an alkaline state within your body to stay healthy. When your body is in an acidic state, cancer cells are more likely to grow with ease. It is hard to achieve that state considering the toxins in the world around us. There are toxins in beauty care items, personal care items, and several household products. Lemon ginger tea will work amazingly well to create an alkaline state, which reduces chronic inflammation and prevents autoimmune diseases and illnesses, such as fibromyalgia, ankylosing spondylitis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Possible side effects. Both lemon and ginger are recognized by the Food and Drug Administration as generally safe. However, ginger can cause some blood thinning, so you should check with your doctor before taking it, if you are using medication like warfarin, or other blood thinners. Here is a great recipe for healthy and tasty lemon ginger water. It is true that lemon and ginger water will provide you with important nutrients that will improve your overall health. You can find many different ways to enjoy the combination of both. However, the following recipe is one perfect way to enjoy the benefits of lemon and ginger. Here is how to make it. Ingredients. Half of a lemon juiced. 1/4 to half teaspoon of honey. 12 to 16 ounces of hot water. A dash of cayenne pepper. Half teaspoon of lemon zest. An inch-long piece of ginger. Directions. Heat the water on stovetop until it reaches the desired temperature. Pour boiling water into blender and add lemon zest, lemon juice, and ginger to it. Blend all the ingredients well for about 30 seconds. Strain this mixture into a cup or glass, then add honey and cayenne pepper, stir well, and enjoy. Please keep in mind that while all these foods and juices may work as a supplement treatment, you should not stop taking any prescribed medication without checking with your doctor. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.